family. Thank you again for coming back and tuning in with me today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in the corner for notifications. And if you are returning, thank you so much again for always supporting. Today I have a very special video for you guys because I think it's important that I share a little secret with you. I honestly think that I found the secret to clear skin, guys. Yes, I found the secret to clear skin. So if you're interested in figuring out what that secret is, stick around with me for a couple of minutes because this is one video that you don't want to miss. All right, guys, so I have been on a quest to find something amazing for my skin, something that's not harmful to my skin, and I finally found it. And I could not wait to share it with you guys because I wanted to do a little bit more research on the product before I really put it out there. But this is something that I just had to share because I couldn't keep this all to myself. So, the product that I'm so obsessed with is Youth to the People. And it is their Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. This stuff right here, guys, this is the secret to clear skin. I promise you. Let me get into this product ingredient list, guys, okay? And if you see me looking down, it's because I took some notes on my phone so that I wouldn't forget to let you guys know all about the ingredient list because that's important. Okay, so first I want to point out the price point. So I know that $36 is pretty steep for this product, but I promise you it's worth every dollar. If you feel like the $36 bottle is too expensive for you, they do have a 2-ounce bottle that is $10, and it's pretty much like a trial size so that you can kind of figure it out and see if you like it and use the product for a while. So in the ingredient list, we have vitamin C, kale, spinach, green tea, vitamin E, vitamin K, and vitamin B5. Okay, so you're probably wondering, Heavenly, what the heck do all those vitamins mean? Like, they're vitamins, but what do they do? All right, so vitamin C, guys, we need that to brighten our skin. And most women, we want our skin to be bright. We want our skin to be glowy. So you need vitamin C in the product. The kale is actually like a perfect juice for your face for you to like put it on in the morning or the night. And as you guys know, kale has so many nutritional benefits. So it's good for your body and good for your face as well. The spinach in the product is basically a lightweight soother for your face. The green tea helps with anti-inflammatory. Vitamin E, of course, reduces UV damage for sun. And vitamin B5, guys, we have to have that because we need our skin to be hydrated and glowy at all times. So on top of just the vitamin B5, you guys want to make sure that you are hydrating daily. Lots of water, no sugar, no juice, no soda. All of those things really do break out your face and people don't realize that, but just stay away from it as much as you can, guys. If you want glowy skin, drink that water, girl. And also this product does have natural fragrance, but it's supposed to be just from the kale and the green tea, which causes that fragrance. So it's nothing to really worry about. It's not a very strong scent. And I have very sensitive skin and I did not react to this product at all. I definitely would say that it cleared away my acne. And I asked my best friend Ariana about her experience because we bought the product around the same time. And I promise you, she called me and told me that her face was clearing up from using Youth to the People morning and night because you're supposed to use it in the morning and at night, so twice a day. Lastly, I want to say my favorite thing I love about this product, well, there's 3 things I love so much. One, the jar that it comes in is actually glass and it's reusable. So you can take out the crescent top and actually it comes with another top that you can just seal back on here. So you can reuse this all the time if you want to. A next big thing for me is that it's vegan and cruelty free. That's really important because I really like to know what's going on me, hasn't been tested elsewhere. And then lastly, a little bit goes a long way, guys. I promise you, all you need is 1 to 2 pumps and you are good. So definitely get You to the People. I'm going to link it below. You really need this in your life because it has helped my skin dramatically. And I know you guys are probably like, well, you already had clear skin. That is true, but sometimes I get little breakouts and I don't really know where they come from or how to really control them. Sometimes it's just something that I might have put on my face or something I ate. But like I said, this product was just like a miracle for me, and it really like changed my skin within less than a month. So check it out. Secondly, I wanted to show you guys that I have been pairing my You to the People with a moisturizer. Of course, we need to stay moisturized. I have been using the Sephora 3.0 skincare nourishing moisturizer. It has about 3 oils in it, so that's the 3.0 line. This is what it looks like. I don't know. Okay, you guys can see kind of. And I will definitely link this below. This was about $15 or so, if I'm not mistaken. It's worth every single penny. It comes with a lot inside. It looks like a little package, but it does have a lot in it. And literally, this is my routine every day. I wash my face morning and night with You to the People. And then I literally take this moisturizer and I put it all over my T-zone. Make sure that I'm really moisturized. I promise, guys, like, this combination is going to change your life. So if you love this video, please leave me a thumbs up. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment below. Let me know your thoughts. And please let me know, guys, if you go out and buy these 2 products, how your face has changed. Thank me later, because I promise you, you're gonna have some changes in your skin. Keep your routine going for a month and make sure you document your progress. And I cannot wait to hear all the good things that you guys find with You to the People and the Sephora 3.0 moisturizer. Please make sure to tune in next week, as I will have a video on my updated glowy skincare routine. Cannot wait to see you guys then, because we are going to get this skin on and poppin' for the summertime. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.
Relax.